Oh, it's so good. The water's so awesome. It's so clear.
It's gorgeous. What are we making today?
We are making
What we got?
pasta primavera with salmon and mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. Gourmet over here, gourmet number one. What do you got over here?
Some breakfast for dinner. You know is the best.
This is so good. This is so good. And what are you eating tonight?
I already ate,
Yeah!
but I'm eating more.
That's right. Here at Havasupai, this is one of the beautiful trails to get to Beaver Falls.
Yeah, baby.
Come on down, come join us. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to go into Mooney Falls. As you can see, read, caution, caution, and let's do it. Oh my God.
Step in here, you have an area you can lean over.
Is this ridiculous?
We're going to Beaver Falls! Woohoo! Let's do it!
Talk to me, brother. How you doing?
And I'm a little scared of going on the hike today.
Yeah?
Because,
Why? Look this way. You're a little scared, why?
look, I'm gonna fall.
Dude, you'll be fine, brother.
Like this is the cliff.
You'll be fine.
Whoa!
You'll be fine.